as well as it's now a commencement culmination for the first batch and the welcome for the second batch. So as gisulti ni Sir Rodrigo, siya ang atong amahan sa Dolly Nars, as well ako po ang iyang kaagabay sa ini nga project. And as usual, lipay ko kay siya na-assign sa selection. So many times man ako sa office, isog kay mga ginikanan matubang ni Sir Rodrigo. With matching kunot na lang siya sa iyang kilay. And I'm happy kay dili ako ang ma-stress. Siya, but in the training, ako ang in charge. So that's why I beg you to attend the review 2 to 3 if you are planning. In the future, you will work with DOH. It will be a great help sa inyo ha. Kay sa mga exam sa Department of Health, most of it magawas dito nga mga eksama. So kung naplano mo to join the Department of Health, join this afternoon 2 to 3 o'clock na review. And then reminders na ako sa first batch. Before ko, di ba, ang role sa inahan niya, uyawan man dyan sa balay. So ako mong it's really like a family, even na diri ang mga second batch. Ayaw tagkaulaw kay mga nurse ta and we're considered family. So we learn so much also as this first batch learn in the training. We also as trainer also learn from you and from the feedback of our chief nurse, staff nurses, MHOs, PHNs, mga DOH representative. There are positive feedbacks for first batch and also negative. So maguna ko sa first sa positive. No, some daw of the first batch nga mga nurse sayo kuno kaayo mo adto sa RHU nya hasta sa hospital nya eager kaayo mo trabaho. So that's a plus point. However, ang mga negative which I have to say here para ang second batch mag-watch na. So, ingon ang sa attitude. Some of you mato sa RHU naka-backlist or dili naka-spaghetti. Mind you, in the public service, that is not allowed. So, first batch, even if you are in the rural health unit, you should wear the proper uniform and the badge. In the civil service, if you're working with the government, bawal dyan nang dili magsuot og modest apparel. So modest apparel, pasabot kanang dili makita ang mga pinakasikreto nato. Even sa atong nursing sa una, bawal gani maklaro ang panty, bawal maklaro ang bra. No? So, inana ako sa ka-feedback, nakabantay sa uniform. Naapoy uban daw, doctors are complaining, amo daw Dolly nurses. Di daw kay balong good morning. Inigtagbo daw nila sa ward, masiga lang daw ang mata. So, mo nang feedback sa inyo ha? And then, tardiness. Nayuban, mutunga dili. Mura bitag palitaw, lulubog lilitaw. May ba ang palitaw? Kaya litaw na dyan. Dayon, naapadyoy, mga absent nga walay permission. Especially sa hospital, dili ninyo ang may buhaton. Kay maguba ang schedule. Dili pwede ang hospital biyaan. Kay ang nurse, kay diretsyo na siya duty, pagkasunod, anay mo salo. So, mo to ang mga negative feedbacks. And I want to clear also for the first batch, ang examination. Ang exam na akong gihatag sa inyo ha, was based really on the common diseases found in the hospital. In our profession as a nurse, we should have the knowledge, the skills, and the attitude, the good attitude. So knowledge only marked 92%, skills is only around 90%, but attitude is 100%. So I hope in the incoming Nurses Dolly second batch will be able to say good morning to your supervisors in the ward, through the staff nurse. Even they are not the one who are giving you the salary. They are your senior So I hope nga next time, naanan nyo ng good morning ma'am, kay mostly daw sa inyo, labay-labayan na daw ninyo ang staff nurse, ang chief nurse, o ang mga doctors. So recognize them because they are our supervisors in the ward. So I hope that the first batch will be able to find job and continue, and those who are not having jobs yet. Ato akong giingon ninyo nga pwede mo mag-volunteer kasi in going this stage you really need 2 years. Although kanang inyong certificate, privilege na kayo mo nga naay Department of Health Secretary nagpirma, DOLE nagpirma, and PRC, mga pinaka sa tulo ka department ang nagpirma ni Ana. And I hope you will live up to that certificate. So for the second batch, I pray that you'll be open-minded, that you will be teachable in spirit, and you will be very conscious to watch the mistakes of the first batch na dili na ma-repeat